Okay, right now we have what in the daily time frame. First thing we are going to do in order to understand the price, where price is going to go. Let me first of all clean all these jumps. So right now price with we have price have broken what a structure, which means that price is gonna go up again. Do you understand what I mean? So when price breaks a structure, it signifies that price has the propensity of going up again. Do you understand what I mean? So when price have broken the structure to the upside, this move that you're looking at here is a pullback. Do you understand? This is what we call pullback, which means that price is pulling back in order to move up again. So what we do here is we take this our horizontal line, place it around here. Do you understand? Now this is another structure where price is going to trade into before it will do what? Before it will decline. So right now we have what we have when if we want to understand whether we are going to be taking buy position on this, from the floor is what you will take to know. This is the floor here. We have what? A low, we have a higher low. You see that price have been creating what? Higher low, higher low, higher low. So even this low sef, even this low is still higher than these lows. You understand? So now price have not been able to create what? A lower low. So this is the most previous low. You understand? This is the low that the price created on the daily time frame. You understand? So if I'm going to be looking at the chart from the daily time frame perspective, it means that if price have not broken this low, I am still bullish. So what I'm doing is I am going to expect that price will move from here to this place. This is where price can trade into. So if price trades into this point and is unable to break above this level, that means once I start seeing some kind of noise around here, I'm seeing that price is indecisive around there. That means what? Price has that tendency of moving all the way to the downside, which means that price have created what? A double top around here. You understand? So that is what will trigger, that is what will make me to take a sell position from here to this downside. Do you understand what I mean? So this is exactly what we are talking about. So we expect that price will do something like this. Price is going to trade into this level, but before then there is another place where price could actually get to. You see this level here, price could still trade into this level. Do you understand? So this level you are looking at, price could still trade into that level. You see the down close candle, this down close candle is standing as what? A support level. So what I'm going to do is, let me take this thing off, then let me go into what now. If you want to look at this chart from here, you will see what? You will see the trend. The trend did what? The trend, price was trending to the downside like this, and we had a break of the trend. Do you understand what I mean? So this is where the break of the trend occurred. So price, after breaking this trend line, we had a pullback. Price traded into what? Price traded into this level, and we had a buy sentiment. You understand? Since the move, since this trend line was taken out, was broken, we saw that price traded into this support. And look at the move. Now another confluences we supposed to be looking at is, did you see that since price have been creating what? Higher lows, which means that price have also been creating what? Higher highs. So the over this uptrend, this line here, this level here has been broken. It has been broken with a strong candle, which means that price still has the propensity of going even more higher. Do you understand? So which means that my own take on this particular move is, I will go to what, to the lower time frame. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. So if I come to the 1 hour time frame here, if I come to the 1 hour time frame, so now I want to understand what I should be doing around this chart right now. So from the 1 hour time frame, you are looking at what? You are looking at something that looks like a channel. This is something that looks like a channel. Can you see? It looks like a channel. So let us keep it on this level. You are looking at something that looks like a channel like this. Do you understand? So this is it. You are looking at something that looks like a channel. So now we expect that price will break this trend line to the upside, because we are expecting a what? A buy move to happen. We are expecting the bulls to take control of the market. Do you understand? So now we have what we call W chart pattern that is forming. Do you understand what I mean? So right now, once we see that price could still trade into this level. As I said, price could still trade into this level. You understand? Price could still trade into this level, and we'll see that move. We'll see that what? We'll see that move start happening. We'll see this move start happening to the upside. Do you understand? So this is exactly what we should be looking onto. Right now, the reason why I'm not expecting to take a buy position from here is because if I go to the smaller time frame, I will see that price is still what? The price is looking like if I'm taking a buy position from here, it means that I'm still going to have a drawdown if price eventually goes down all the way to this level. Do you understand? So what I'm expecting is that price may trade into this level so that I will buy low and make more profit. Do you understand? So that is why I will go into, if I go to the smaller time frame again, this is multi-time frame analysis. So if I go to smaller time frame again, I will see something that looks like this. Did you see? I'll see something that looks like this. It is better for me to not take a buy position since price is on the upside. I'm not going to take the buy position until I see a break of this level. Do you understand what I mean? So I'm not going to take any buy position. So if I look at this level, you see that what is going on here. You see that there's nothing going on here. What is going on here is something that looks like a ranging movement. You understand? So I'm expecting that price will still come down all the way to the floor. You see, price can still trade all the way into this level so that I will have a perfect buy position. Do you understand? So this is exactly what's going to happen. You understand? So now, if price eventually breaks this level, it means that now this resistance here will now become what? A support. So this is why once price breaks this level, I will be looking at the market expecting that price will trade into this level. So by the time price breaks this level, imagine that the price breaks this level and retests this level. Do you understand? Retest that support. You know, when it has broken this level, it will automatically become what? A support level for me again, because by the time it has broken it, this resistance now will become what? It will become a support. So by the time it broke this level, I will have something that looks like what? Pullback. The pullback will happen. It will retest this level, and then this is where I will take a buy position. Do you understand what I mean? I will be taking a buy position and I will target this level. Do you understand? This is another, from level to level, that is what you should be doing. So from level to level, I will take a buy position that will trigger this level. You understand? So now that is it. This is the kind of confluence that I'm looking at. So since price has not been able to break here, and price is sitting on is just sitting close to what? Resistance, there is no need for me to be taking a buy position around here. So I'm expecting the price to do what? to trade into this level. Once price trades into this level, I will buy. Or better still, if I see that price will do what, we create something that looks like triple bottom here, then we take a buy position. That's exactly how we will do it. You understand? So buying around here looks like you are doing what? You are buying high, because even in the smaller time frame, it is showing you that price is on a high level. You see? So it's showing you that price is on a high level. So you will have to expect the price to come down to your own level. So price will have to find you. The market will find you instead of you chasing the market. Oh, I'm seeing it's going up, let me buy it too. Once you buy it, you might have what? A drawdown when price start trading into this place, and the drawdown might liquidate your account. So that is the reason why, from my own strategy, I will expect the price to come into this level for me to take a buy position. You understand? Or better still, mitigate this my what? This low. I will have price to mitigate this low, and then trade into this what? Into this my level here, so that I will take a better and perfect buy position on the chart.